why you gotta be complaining all the time when all I do is love you, acting like I got a chick on the side. Well, let me say, you ain't got no money, you ain't got no job. Why I to be home for? Stood on my 9 to 5. I'm just saying, oh no no, keep it 100, babe. I'm just saying, keep it 100, babe. I'm just saying, baby, tell me why I gotta be waiting on you all the time when all you do is lay around watching for drama on your timeline. What can I say? We don't need your Facebook, all of them fake friends. We don't need these problems, so they are in the end. I'm just saying, yeah, keep it 100, babe. I'm just saying, keep it 100, babe. I'm just saying, don't expect my loyalty when you can't give me honesty, girl. Keep it 100, babe. In this day and age, you'll find a love like mine is hard to find, girl. Keep it 100, babe. You're thinking I'm a cheating, I don't give you no reason to. Checking in on all my tweets and I don't give you no reason to. But love, 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 don't give me a reason to. I just wanna be with you. No need to shout, without a doubt I'm the one for you, in this world we live in. The truth can always fall into the bait. In this world we live in, honesty is a mistake now. We live and die by the gun. All I need for you to do is keep it 100. No, 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 no.
You wonder where that applause, thanks, Mr. Trump. You wonder where that applause is coming from? Just look straight out there.
Here is part of an interview with the subject just before LSD is to be administered.
Gotta be